I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Transferring your eSIM to a new iPhone can seem daunting, but it is pretty straightforward. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Prepare your new iPhone. Before you start the transfer, make sure your new iPhone is fully updated to the latest iOS version. This ensures compatibility with the eSIM transfer process. Step 2. Access your old iPhone. On your old iPhone, go to Settings, then tap on Cellular. Here, you allow Find Your eSIM details. Make sure you have your Telus account information handy, as you may need it during the transfer. Step 3. Initiate the transfer. Before activation, use the eSIM link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility check and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 4. Set up your new iPhone. Now, on your new iPhone, go to Settings, then Cellular. Tap Add Cellular Plan. You should see a prompt to complete the transfer. Follow the instructions to finalize the setup. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Once the transfer is complete, check if your cellular service is working on the new iPhone. You can do this by making a call or sending a text. If it doesn't work, restart both devices and try again. If you follow these steps, you should have your eSIM transferred without any issues. Good luck with your new iPhone.